Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins big. Achieving bakery-style muffins with those lovely domed tops is easier than you think. The key lies in a few simple techniques that boost their volume and texture. We'll cover everything from oven temperature to batter consistency, ensuring your muffins rise beautifully every time. Get ready to bake some truly impressive treats. For truly big muffins, proper batter preparation is crucial. Start by whisking your dry ingredients together well, then do the same for your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. When combining, mix them gently until just moistened. Overmixing develops gluten too much, leading to tough, flat muffins. A slightly lumpy batter is actually your friend here, promoting a tender crumb and better rise. The oven temperature plays a huge role in achieving those impressive muffin tops. Start with a high temperature, like 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for the first 5 minutes. This initial blast creates a quick burst of steam, helping the muffins rise rapidly. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees to ensure they bake through evenly without burning. Fill your muffin cups generously, about 3/4 full, for that perfect dome. Don't skip the resting step. Letting your batter sit for 15 to 20 minutes before baking allows the flour to fully hydrate and the gluten to relax. This results in a more tender muffin with a better rise. Once baked, let your muffins cool in the pan for just a few minutes before moving them to a wire rack. This prevents them from becoming soggy and ensures a perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.